What is good, y'all? I know it's been a minute, but listen, I'm back. It's been like a solid year since I uploaded a video, and it's really no excuse that I have. It's not like I owe anybody an explanation or anything, but life happens. So in the journey of life, I've like changed careers. I done got interested in different things. Started getting more financially literate and learn a lot of things. So I decided to revamp YouTube and come back to YouTube mainly because I miss uploading content on the regular. If y'all follow me on Instagram mainly, a lot of y'all know I've been getting into forex, stocks, investing, and just learning. So I want to bring that to YouTube and start teaching and I wouldn't even necessarily say teach it. I really just want to use YouTube as my journal and show y'all the way and show y'all what I've learned over this past year. Cause like once I stopped doing YouTube, all right, so boom, I had got a new job, and started working, and I wanted to figure out how I can make money while I was at work, right? Or how I can make money just from my phone. That's how it all started. And at first it was just stocks and, learning stocks and learning how I can invest in stocks, learning about dividends. I had bought books and just started learning. And throughout that process, I met a mentor. He introduced me to forex, and I thought forex was a scam. I wanted to know people who was like totally against forex, but ended up not being. I'd have made some money from it, learned some things. So I just want to take y'all along on that journey and hopefully teach y'all some things, upload some videos and all of that good stuff. But yeah, I just want to update some content, man, and continue to help people. My merchant semen videos help change so many people's lives. When I tell y'all, so many of y'all watch my videos, took the things I said and actually put it to work and became merchant semen. I'm so fucking proud of y'all, bro. Like, the people that send me pictures, people that have tried to cash out me, the people that have tried to that update me or be with me on a regular. Some of y'all talk to on a regular day basis now. I'm just proud of y'all, man, and continue to keep pushing. Like, don't give up. Unfortunately, merchant semen wasn't the career path that I continue to move on, and I'm not upset about that. I'm good with that. My journey has now taken me somewhere else. So if y'all interested in forex, interested in stocks, interested in learning about investing, I'm gonna be dropping videos. I'm gonna try to drop them maybe 2 times a week. Don't hold me to that, but at least once a week. Drop videos and teaching y'all how to chart, teaching y'all how to invest. We're gonna go over options. We're gonna go over everything, man. And I hope y'all stick through me with this journey. And it won't just be about stocks. Once we start to level up and the income start rolling in, we're gonna start investing and doing different things. But in the meantime, man, I'm just glad to be back. And I hope y'all glad to see me, and I hope y'all gonna stick through it with me. All in all, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for tuning in. I'm glad to be back. I'll see y'all soon.